Hey everyone, Facebook has launched a new feature for Messenger called Vanish Mode that allows users to send disappearing messages similar to Snapchat. Watch this video to learn how to enable and use Messenger Vanish Mode. First, open Messenger and select the chat conversation you would like to use Vanish Mode in. Now, the Vanish Mode settings can only be applied to one-on-one chats, so you won't be able to use it in groups. Once you're inside the chat, you want to enable Vanish Mode in. Swipe upwards to quickly switch into Vanish Mode. If this doesn't work, you can instead tap the person's name at the top, scroll down and tap Vanish Mode. Then, tap the switch to enable Vanish Mode. When Vanish Mode is enabled, your chat will appear with a dark background and a Turn Off Vanish Mode button will appear above. When you send messages with Vanish Mode enabled, your messages will disappear from the chat after the other person in the chat has opened them. Like Snapchat, you'll be notified if someone takes a screenshot of the conversation while Vanish Mode is enabled. To turn off Vanish Mode, simply select the Turn Off Vanish Mode button. If you guys have enjoyed this video and found it useful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, have a great day.